YouTube family? This your guy DJ Bless One. Let's talk about Fredo Bang and the YNW Melly situation. A lot of people been mixing this up. They've been trying to call the guy Fredo a snitch and all this extra with no proof. But we're gonna break down the Fredo Bang situation the right way. Basically, they put his name in the paperwork of the YNW Melly trial. They trying to get him to tell on Melly and ask why Melly needed to pick him up. We're going to get into all that a little bit. And Fredo Bang had to respond, but it's sad that he had to respond to this situation when all you people have to do is just research the paperwork. It's open to the public, but people like to do fake titles and all that. Don't worry about the titles I put for this video. Make sure you actually watch the video. We're going to break this down the right way. We do things the right way over here at the I Smoke Hip Hop Live platform. But first thing I need y'all to do is like, share, and comment on the video. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Come be part of our winning this team and movement over here. Make sure you hit that notification bell, like I said, after you subscribe. Even if you subscribe, unsubscribe and subscribe again to get it the right way. But let's hit them with that FBG Duck intro. Let's go. Let's start this off the right way. So, paperwork came in the Fredo Bang case, and you had paperwork like this where the state basically said Mr. Givens allegedly declined to answer certain questions based on attorney-client privilege and his Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination. Those questions were certified to the courts, and the court held hearing on April 21st, 2022 and April 29, 2022. Having considered the state's motion, testimony of Ron Haley at the April 29, 2022 hearing, the in-camera review on April 29, 2022 arguments of counsel, the court finally, I'm going to keep reading this for you as I take it off the screen. Y'all could pause it if y'all think I edited it anyway. Pause it and read it as I continue reading it. They said, basically, the court finds that it must deny the state's motion to compel witness Frederick Givens to answer the certified questions. Mr. Givens' answer to the state certified question would not implicate the attorney-client privilege. However, if the courts were to compel Mr. Givens to answer the certified questions, it would violate Mr. Givens' Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination. Although the state has offered Mr. Givens immunity from prosecution, basically what y'all seeing is the man that we call Fredo Bang, the bag man, the bad man. You feel me? The state wanted to force him to snitch and explain to them what did they have. You know, basically, we know that YNW Melly talked to you, boy. Tell us what he talked to you about, boy. Why was Melly gonna pick you up, man? You gotta answer this. But Fredo being smart, Fredo said, nah, I'm gonna let my lawyers answer all this for me. I ain't gonna speak on it. Fredo not only did that, Fredo would respond to the monkey see, monkey do activities that people are playing with his name. So Fredo Bang hit you guys with the ultimate haymaker. He hit them with this: talk to your lawyers and know your rights. Apparently he knew his right. I seen him winning that situation. He basically letting y'all know, nah, man, I plead the fifth. You can't violate my Fifth Amendment rights. You feel me? I plead the fifth. I don't give a damn y'all trying to give me immunity. That's what the state was saying. Why does he need to plead the fifth? We're going to protect him regardless. All he has to do is just tell us what happened. And no matter what the situation is, we're going to look out for him. But Fredo is a street nigga. Any way that I cooperate and help y'all is a form of snitching. Any way that I help y'all, y'all are going to lock my mans up. Y'all already trying to give him two bodies, which is the two friends, Sack Chaser and Juvie, they trying to put on him. Not only that, they're also trying to charge him with a Broward County Sheriff death or I think the sheriff got either shot at or killed. So they're charging him with attempted murder or murder on the police sheriff officer as well. So this case is looking gloomy for YNW Melly, but they think they're gonna get a victory if they scare Fredo Bang into speaking to them. Fredo is just too smart for the ups and whoop-de-whoops. You know what I mean? So you can clearly see the things that they brought up in the case. Look, I want you guys to take a look. This ain't no speculation. This ain't no, oh, they're against it. Look, number one, attorney-client privilege was asserted when asked if he went to the location at 4:42:49 a.m. that Jamal Demon sent via drop pin on iMessages. You feel me? So they got all the ins and out of this, y'all. Number two, attorney-client privilege as to if Jermel Demons asked him, Mr. Givens, to pick him up on the phone call on the morning of 10/26/18. Basically an 8-minute phone call. Number three, attorney-client privilege as to the identity of the person at his home on 10/26/18 after the homicide, listed names including Jamel Demons, Jamie King, Mariah Hamilton, Felicia Holmes, Jemison 100 Track, Francis, Ashley Phillips, because they tried to call 100 Track a snitch also because of the phones he turned in. I mean, I guess they're trying to say 100 Track should have did the same thing like that Fredo Bang did and plead the fifth. But I think the situation with Francis, aka 100 Track, they had more substantial, hardcore evidence that they needed to get that the evidence in the motion. So 100 Track had to give his shit, but it don't mean he's a snitch at all. Let's keep reading it. Number four, attorney-client privileges as to identify the phone number blank. They blocked that out. We're not going to share that on YouTube. Phone call on his records after the conversation with Jamel Demons. Now, attorney-client privileges number five, refused to provide phone numbers for Javier Singh of C'est La Vie Productions. Shout out to them Zoes, man. Attorney-client privilege number six was asserted that he would not state whether he picked up Jamel Demons on 178 Avenues south of Pembroke Road, 4:42 a.m. latitude. Damn, they got the pin of these tower and all, bro. Anything y'all do not use your cell phone. I'm just saying though, it's Fed season. Now, number seven, attorney-client privileges, as y'all can see it if you think I'm capping, was asserted that he would not state whether he picked up Jamel Demons on one. Okay, we read that already. So basically, he kept denying all of these, whether he picked them up or not. All these were court-ordered or whatnot. But Fredo, like he told y'all, he know his rights. He told y'all to talk to your lawyer and know your rights. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot emphatically state that again. Please talk to your attorneys that you basically paid to retain them. Stop going in that interrogation room and thinking I'm gonna pull a fast one on the cops. Oh, I got them on the blank blank. Nah, bro, you don't know how to do it. Quit pretending you do. You don't. This is why you paid for an attorney in the first place. You cannot handle what that magistrate got ready for you. So fall the F back and let the professionals handle it. Just like, let me put that one more time what Fredo said. Just like Fredo Bang told y'all, talk to your lawyers and know your rights. Apparently, a lot of bloggers don't know their rights, so it's easy for them to call Fredo Bang a snitch and all this extra. I've been watching and minding my own business. I can't rock with that. It's clown shit for clown people who never been through this street life before, never actually been through the courts before or jail before. It's easy for them to go around playing with people's name, but we don't do that over here. We represent the right people over here. So hit that like button for a real one. I know y'all gonna smash the likes for DJ Bless One. Thank you for that, y'all. Make sure y'all know we only rock with the realists over here. And let's bring that FBG Duck intro back.